everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Jamie and this is my favorite. So if you like favorites, just keep watching. Okay, so my first favorite is gonna be an oldie but a goodie. A thing that I mentioned quite a few times on my channel, but now that I'm back to lighter hair, this is, girl, Browie Wowie. Go to the Dollar General. I think they're $2. I went in there and I got two because that's all they had. I like the lighter color when I have the lighter hair. So I really like this. I like the shape of it. It's kind of like at a triangle tip, but they're cheap. I just like the consistency. It's kind of hard, but it gives you good brows, girl. So go to the Dollar General. You might find some other gems there while you're there, but this is a good. Recommend it. Recommend. Okay, also I have another thing here. Wish I cleaned it before. Let me clean it real quick. Sorry I've been MIA, just been living life, I guess. I don't know. I'm like 2 weeks I haven't made a video, but I'm here now. But it'll probably be a little bit more in between from now on. But anyways, I've been loving the Pretty Fresh by Colourpop. Mine, sorry, I got eyeliner on my hands. This one is Fair 20 in, and it matches my skin pretty well. So yeah, I really like this. Give this a shot. It's the more runny consistency, and that's what I like. It's just kind of runny like that, and it's not really creamy. So if you like creamy consistencies, you probably won't like it, but you know, you never know until you try. And I really do like that a lot. So that, and I do like the Born to Glow still, but I've been wearing this a lot. Okay, and also, let's see, what else? I know there's more here. I got this in BoxyCharm, I believe. It's the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist, a setting spray. This is good. I'm going to put the prices of everything, full price, but as you know, you can get sales, girl. Sales, BoxyCharm. This is good. Keeps my makeup on all day, even through a mask. I'm digging it. I really dig it. Do try to pick this up. Now, if you have more dry skin, the Pretty Fresh one is good. It makes my skin kind of more dewy. I got both on now. It smells good. It smells like coconut, but it is good, but only if you want a dewy moment. Get this. But yeah, Colourpop, anything Colourpop is usually pretty good. I don't know if I shared this before, but I've been using this Blush Crush. I don't have blush on right now, so I should just put it on. But it's eyeshadow, but I actually go in and put it as a blush because they're blush colors, girl. Why not? You know? So you can use it as a dual purpose, like I use the middle. I mean, you could use whatever you want. You could use this as a highlight right here. So I do recommend any Colourpop, but this one is particularly one of my favorites. So Blush Crush Colourpop. They're just pretty. Look at how pretty they are. Hello. But yeah. Also, let's see here. What do I got? I know it's kind of dirty. I'm sorry, but I want to let you know the wet brushes really work. They are really good. I probably got 4 or 5 of them, and they're really good at detangling without pulling. This is, sorry, it's got the 2 different brushes, 2 different bristles. Sorry that it's dirty. The regular bristles and the board bristles. This is a good brush, especially if you have thick hair like I do. So go out and get it. These are usually pretty cheap. The one I just got was like $16.99, but you can get it probably at Marshall's or Ross or TJ Maxx for like $5 or $6.99. The last one I bought was at a hair studio, so that's why it was a little bit more expensive. But also what I'm gonna suggest you do, and what I've been loving for a very long time, and you probably see me in videos do this, but if I could find it, oh, there it is. Go to Walmart and get yourself a cheap set. In between visits to the salon, you can you know, flip your hair over. I got tutorials, so go down, look for it, or, you know, you can just Google a tutorial. Just flip your hair over, give yourself a small trim, and then these use very sparingly, like 1, 2, and kind of thin your hair if you have thick hair, and then they give you this nice comb. But I suggest, and I love these, I suggest you go get a set if you're confident in doing your own hair, which I am. Just give yourself a trim. I mean, if you can fully cut your hair, then chef's kiss to you. But I probably could, I just don't have the patience. But yeah, I do suggest these, and you can get more fancy ones, maybe at Sally's and stuff like that. But I got these at Walmart. It's a set. I don't even know what brand it is, but just pick up this set because it will help you in between. You can cut your bangs and stuff. But what also I've been loving is when you have these razors, like for your eyebrows and stuff, and I know I mentioned them, I think, in my last video, but you can also kind of razor cut your bangs with them. So if you want, I need to cut my bangs, but you can razor cut your bangs with them if they're sharp. This one isn't sharp. Actually, I need to throw this one away, but you can get these at Walmart, pretty much anywhere. I have a new one, but yeah, so I think that's all my favorites for this month. But anyways, make sure you go down in the description box and you follow all my social medias. And I believe that's everything for this month. Hopefully I'll come back soon with something else. But thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.